ever read some verses or lines from centuries ago that are still relatable today to our world and to our life, even after centuries? In this video, I'm going to recite some verses from a very famous Persian poet, Saadi, and his words are still relatable today to our life. And these verses are from centuries ago, but nowadays in our life, in our world today, it's relatable more than ever. When I read it, it just touched my heart, and it has a really profound message that it's really not, believable that it's from centuries ago. You can't believe that how could a person centuries ago say this word that is still, can be used today. First, I'm going to recite it in Persian for the ones who understand it, so of course they can get some words and meaning, and the ones who don't know Persian, it's okay, because they can enjoy this beauty, because it's just very rhythmic and very nice, besides all this message that it has. Saadi beautifully says, بنی آدم اعضای یک پیکرند که در آفرینش ز یک گوهرند. چو عضوی به درد آورد روزگار دگر عضوها را نماند قرار. تو که از محنت دیگران بیغمی نشاید که نامت نهند آدمی. It's just so beautiful. The first verse says, بنی آدم اعضای یک پیکرند. That means human beings are members of a whole. It just uses a simile that human beings are like the different organs of a human body, that they are all connected and related. که در آفرینش ز یک گوهرند. In creation, they are from one essence and one soul. It says that human beings are from the same soul, from the same essence, and they are all related. So no matter black or white, no matter the skin color, no matter where are you from and where you live, your background and whatever, all people and in this world are just connected. The second verse beautifully says, چو عضوی به درد آورد روزگار. If one member is afflicted with pain, دگر عضوها را نماند قرار. Other members uneasy will remain. It's exactly like human body, right? When you feel pain in one part of your body, whether your head or leg or heart, it's like you don't feel comfortable, your soul, and generally your body doesn't feel comfortable. So the same thing is with the human being, like when you know that some people in this world are having a difficult life or difficulty, so the rest of the people also feel kind of uncomfortable. And the third verse says, تو که از محنت دیگران بیغمی. If you have no sympathy for human pain, نشاید که نامت نهند آدمی. The name of human you cannot retain. It's just amazing, yes? It just says, if you don't care about others' pain, if you don't care about other people's difficulty and difficult life, then you don't deserve to be called a human. When you think about it, it has a very deep and profound message, really. If you see a friend, a neighbor, or a person who needs help, try your best to do something for it. And generally in our world today, if we see injustice and if we see inequality, discrimination or whatsoever over other people, we shouldn't be silent, we shouldn't be quiet. We should do something as much as we can. because we are all connected and related. If we want a better life, a better world, we need to know that it's a need that everyone has a good life without difficulty. It's like exactly the human body. If you want a healthy body and a happy soul, the thing is that the whole organs of the body needs to be healthy and work well. So the same thing is about the human beings in this world. Please let me know in the comments that have you ever read anything from past that you think is still relatable today and you think has a profound message. I would really like to know. And also please let me know your opinion about these verses that I just recited. What do you think about it? And don't hesitate to write any question that you have in the comments, because I will read all your questions and I will answer your comments.